Dongguan Smarte Luggage Bag Company Limited, established in 2014, is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of luggage, trolley car, casters, handles, and other related products. Part of our products can meet REACH standard, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Smarte Luggage and his cooperated company has whole set machines for production, such like injection molding, auto cutting machines, sewing machines, and other related testing machines. Also, we have long-time cooperated suppliers, such like Hinomoto and Yifang. All these bases ensured our products have nice quality and ensured his customers' profits. We have goal for long-time business relationship, customer first, and quality first. And we will continue to innovate, improve product functions, improve product service life, use new materials, save Earth resources, and protect the environment. In 2023, Smarte Luggage will move to his new production center zone at Lianping City, Guangdong Province, for supplying the better price, better quality, and better service to our customers. If you have any OEM and ODM requirements for plastic hand carts, suitcases, metal trolley, plastic handle, and wheels, welcome you to send your idea or design to us. We will quote better developing cost, tool cost, and unit price to you in 24 hours. We promise all tools you paid are belong to you.